Jyoti Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Morrigaon College. In this talk, we are going to discuss about the layered morphology and the layered nanomaterials. So main outlines are layered morphology, layered materials like graphite and other 2D materials, and applications. So layered materials are a class of materials that grows in a layered fashions. In natural system, we always have lots of examples of the layered morphologies like plain leaves, bird wing, etc. Because of their large surface area, they are quite effective for a purpose for which they are made for. In day-to-day life, we also have some examples of the layered morphologies like blackboard, tabletop, pages, etc. Now coming to material system, where a few materials offer their growth in a layered fashions like graphite and its derivative, transition metal dichalcogenide system, boron nitride, few metal oxide, phosphine, pamblin, etc. Because of their large surface area and unique properties, these materials are quite effective for application in the field of photoelectric effect devices, photovoltaic devices, gas sensors, solid lubricants, electrode materials, and many more. Graphitic layered materials, these are allotropes of carbon where all the carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized and arrange themselves in a honeycomb structures. Atoms in a particular layer are bonded via very strong covalent bond, whereas two different layers are bonded or attested via weak van der Waals forces. They mostly appear in hexagonal phases and are good conductor of electricities. Now coming to the transition metal dichalcogenide system. So from the periodic table, we can see these are the transition metals and these are the chalcogen elements have been highlighted. So there may be different permutation and combination between the transition metal and chalcogen elements, which results 40 different TMDC systems. Like the graphitic system, they are also grows in layered morphology, and atoms in a particular plane or particular sheet are always bonded by a very strong covalent bond, whereas the different layers are attested by weak van der Waals forces. So structurally, we may find three major phases: hexagonal, rhombohedral, and triclinic. Among them, hexagonal is highly stable. Tungsten disulfide and tungsten diselenides are few examples of the TMDCs which are semiconducting in nature. In compared to the graphitic systems, they are quite advantageous because of their non-zero band gap and tunability. Apart from them, large-scale mass structure and strong luminescence can also be cited in their advantages. These advantages make TMDCs quite effective for the application in the field of photovoltaic devices, optoelectronic devices, solid lubricants, electrode material, and many more. In summary, the layered materials or layered morphology are nothing but the structure with the large surface areas. Graphite transition metal dichalcogenide systems grows in the layered morphology, and they have large scope of applications. Thank you.